In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels in WooCommerce fast and easily. If you're running an online store, you know how important it is to streamline operations, especially when it comes to fulfilling orders. Saving time by automating certain tasks or using tools that simplify these processes is a must. Now let's dive right into the steps to get those shipping labels printed. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your WooCommerce store. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find a menu option labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that. You might wonder why this step is necessary. It's because we need to ensure we have the right plugin installed that will facilitate our shipping label printing process. Next, look for the Add New button at the top of the page. Click on it, which directs you to the Plugins Marketplace where you can search for the specific tools you need. In the search box that appears, type WooCommerce Shipping and Tax. This plugin is essential as it handles not just shipping labels but also various shipping and tax-related settings for your store. It's quite a powerful tool for streamlining those operational tasks. Once you find the WooCommerce Shipping and Tax plugin in the search results, you'll see an Install Now button. Click on that and wait for the installation process to complete. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. After it's installed, you'll see an option to Activate. It's essential to click Activate to get this plugin running. Otherwise, it just sits in your library without being functional. Assuming you already have this plugin installed and activated, let's proceed. Head back to your dashboard by clicking the WordPress logo or the dashboard menu item. Now look for the WooCommerce link in your sidebar and click on it. This will take you to the main WooCommerce settings page. From there, click on Orders. It's where you'll manage all the sales transactions for your store. If you have pending orders, you'll notice them listed here. Move to one of your orders and there should be an option labeled Create Shipping Label. Selecting this initiates the label creation process. If for some reason there's no order to process, just imagine what it would look like. After clicking the Create Shipping Label button, simply follow the on-screen instructions to generate the label. Once completed, you want to either save it or proceed directly to printing, depending on what your setup requires. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently print shipping labels in WooCommerce, saving time and avoiding potential errors in your order fulfillment process. Remember, taking the time to set this up correctly can really pay off in efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy shipping!